We're going to discuss database storage, and linking your database to the front end of E-Z-MRP. So what we're going to do is we're starting with E-Z-MRP's widget. This is a test database that we use. It's for practicing some examples of how to build a widget. So what we want to do is we'll sign in. You have a drop down with all of the users. We have Curly, Larry, and Mo. We'll go with Curly, and Curly's password is Curly. Mo's password is Mo, and so on and so forth. So we click into our main menu. Now, if I want to change my database, what we're going to do today is we're going to link up to a new database. So I'm going to go into my utilities, go to Open Database, and I am going to browse. Now, when we deliver E-Z-MRP to you, it will default the download of the file to your local disk C. So if you look here, if I'm looking at my local C, there it is, E-Z-MRP V26. It has my widget database, my pin database. These two are practice databases, and here is our null database. This is a brand new database. And what I recommend is if you're ever going to work with one of the databases, just make a copy of it. Copy and paste it right here and put a date in it. And we can put in 9/10/2019. And I can work with that database. However, today we're going to link up to a brand new database, a blank database, a null database. So I'm going to rename it. And I am going to name this E-Z-MRP Weeks Software and V26. So I'm going to grab that database. I'm going to say OK. And actually, before we go back, I'm going to show you a few things in here. We have, this is what I do with my folder for E-Z-MRP is I have my videos, my second session. These are all the demos that I do. You may use this for all your training videos or training sessions that you've had. So if you've done some training on some other databases, you can create a folder for it. Old stuff is whenever we send you an update, or if you ever make a change to your database, copy your old database, drop it in here. E-Z-MRP V26, this is usually where you archive all of your databases. E-Z-MRP, we do have a backup that will back it up to your external hard drive or server. And then E-Z-Import. So if you're importing any data from a CAD software, here is where it saves all of those imports. So if you had a failure in an import, or if you want to see what you last imported into the database, that's the folder you would go to. So back to the initial mission here is we're going to bring in the week software. I can double click it or select OK. You see it link up to the front end. It takes us to the front end sign in. Whenever starting a new admin, or not, I apologize, not admin, but whenever starting a null database, the staff name is admin and the password is admin. And I can hit start. And I may want to go into utilities and create my own user password. I'm going to leave admin for now in case I lock myself out, but I'll go ahead and I'll just add one here, and it's Jeff Weeks, and I'll make my password himself 2019, and I select my access level of 3. Access levels is 1 is read only, 2 is read write. That's simple. So now I've got my credentials changed. I've got my new database set up. Everything's blank, as you can see. So anyway, if you have any questions, give us a call. This is Jeff Weeks with E-Z-MRP. Our phone number is 1-800-617-1684, or shoot us an email at sales@e-z-mrp.com.